we are doing a site visit of the Konza Technopolis to just see the progress that has been going on. Our mission today was to do an inspection of the progress that has so far been made in terms of the various activities that have been going on at Konza. And we've also had an opportunity to view or see what is happening in terms of the progress in the development of our horizontal infrastructure. The project is going on very well. I must appreciate the effort being made by the CEO together with the chair of the board, and actually also really recommend, give commendation to our parliamentary committee members for the support they have given us.
The reason why we are here it is because over years, maybe now 4 or 5 years, we have allocated money to Konza Technopolis for work to be done. And today the committee have come here courtesy of Parliamentary Service Commission to see what has been done. And as the BS has said, we started in the morning from 9 o'clock. We went through a presentation. We got a status up to date of what is happening on the ground. And after the presentation, we said, let's see what is on the ground. Because sometimes what you are given on paper might be different from what's happening on the ground. So that's why we are here. We have seen about 3 or 4 places. The first one was the phase 1 data center, and we are very happy it's already working.